Hey there, I am Rahul. How are you doing? So, what are we gonna learn today? Asian countries, their capitals and currencies. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan. The currency of Armenia is Armenian dram. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. The currency of Azerbaijan is Azerbaijani manat. The capital of Bahrain is Manama. The currency of Bahrain is Bahraini dinar. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The currency of Bangladesh is Taka. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. The currency of Bhutan is Bhutanese Ngultram. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. The currency of Brunei is Brunei dollar. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. The currency of Cambodia is Cambodian riel. The capital of China is Beijing. The currency of China is renminbi. The capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. The currency of Cyprus is euro. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. The currency of Georgia is lari. The capital of India is New Delhi. The currency of India is Indian rupee. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The currency of Indonesia is rupiah. The capital of Iran is Tehran. The currency of Iran is Iranian rial. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. The currency of Israel is Israeli new shekel. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The currency of Japan is yen. The capital of Jordan is Amman. The currency of Jordan is Jordanian dinar. The capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. The currency of Kazakhstan is Kazakhstani tenge. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. The currency of North Korea is North Korean won. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. The currency of South Korea is South Korean won. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City. The currency of Kuwait is Kuwaiti dinar. The capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. The currency of Kyrgyzstan is Kyrgyzstani som. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. The currency of Laos is Lavkip. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. The currency of Lebanon is Lebanese pound. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The currency of Malaysia is ringgit. The capital of Maldives is Malé. The currency of Maldives is Maldivian rupiah. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. The currency of Mongolia is Mongolian Tobruk. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. The currency of Myanmar is Kyat. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee. The capital of Oman is Muscat. The currency of Oman is Omani rial. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. The currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. The capital of Philippines is Manila. The currency of Philippines is Philippine peso. The capital of Qatar is Doha. The currency of Qatar is Qatari riyal. The capital of Russia is Moscow. The currency of Russia is Russian ruble. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi riyal. The capital of Singapore is Singapore. The currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar. The capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepur Quarter, Colombo. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka rupee. The capital of Syria is Damascus. The currency of Syria is Syrian pound. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. The currency of Tajikistan is Samoni. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. The currency of Thailand is baht. The capital of East Timor is Dili. The currency of East Timor is US dollar. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. The currency of Turkey is Turkish lira. The capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. The currency of Turkmenistan is Turkmen new manat. The capital of United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi. The currency of United Arab Emirates is UAE dirham. The capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. The currency of Uzbekistan is Uzbekistan som. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. The currency of Vietnam is Dong. The capital of Yemen is Sana'a. The currency of Yemen is Yemeni Riyal. Well, we have seen the capitals and currencies of Asian countries in this video. Don't forget to learn the capitals and currencies of other continents in our channel. If you like our videos and think we should do more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, please stay safe. Bye.